Hello Stampers, and thank you so much for joining me today for another Stampin' Sunday video. This is Laura Buechler of Inky Fingers Papercrafting, your independent Stampin' Up demonstrator in Nanaimo, BC. Today I'm going to show you a quick and simple card that I cased from Libby Fens using this stamp set, Christmas Means More. I really love this beautiful stamp set featuring quotes from 4 wonderful Christmas movies. I think pretty much all of these are my favorite Christmas movies. And today we're going to use this quote, I believe. It's silly, but I believe. Now, if you have a guess what classic movie that's from, put your guess in the comments. So the measurements for this card are a card base of 5.5 by 8.5 inches, a white layer of 3.5 by 4 inches, and a real red layer of 3.25 by 3.75 inches. The only stamping I need to do on this card is to stamp my sentiment in Memento Black ink in the bottom center of my card front. Now I'm going to run my real red cardstock through the embossing machine with the subtle embossing folder just to add some texture. You can probably see how this card is going to come together. And what I'm going to do now is add a belt. So I've got some black glimmer ribbon that I'm going to use, and I'm going to use one of these embellishments from the Antiqued Corners and Slides. These are from the World of Good suite, and I'm going to use that as my belt buckle. Now, if you don't have ribbon and you don't have these ribbon slides, you could use black cardstock for your belt. You could use silver foil to create the belt buckle. There are lots of different options. And there's my finished card. Remember that you'll get a chance to win this card when you share the video. Leave a comment below to let me know that you've shared, and maybe I'll be sending you this card in the mail. Thanks so much for watching, everyone. I really appreciate it, and I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Please drop me a comment below and let me know what you think. And if there's something specific that you'd like to learn about, just ask. Remember that you can purchase all the products shown on my website, inkyfingers.ca, where you'll also find more project tutorials, current promotional details and catalogs, and the sign up for my monthly email newsletter. I'm not currently offering in-person classes, but you can visit my website to sign up for Creativity to Go, which means once a month you'll get prepared supplies and tutorials delivered right to your door for you to complete on your own schedule. I am also hosting casual Zoom crafting sessions, including mystery stamping and Bring Your Own Project, where you can bring any project you happen to be working on and enjoy a fun, social crafting time with others. Find all of these details and so much more on my website. If you're watching this on YouTube, I want to let you know that I have a Facebook page called Inky Fingers Papercrafting, where you can join a weekly creative challenge and win a prize from me. And if you do place an order, please use the current Hostess code, which you can find on my website, because everyone who uses that code will get a free gift from me. And if you'd like to earn your own Hostess rewards, all you need to do is place an order of over $200 or contact me and we'll start planning your own online party. Drop me a line for more details. Have a great day, everyone, and happy stamping. Bye!